Welcome to this new video. I'm Alex. In this demo video I'll show you the mod I just created. It's called Backup Mod. As you read here, it is a simple mod that creates a backup every 5 minutes. If you die, you will have the possibility to restore it, to never lose your progress again, and much more that I will now show you. Attention! When you re-enter the world, after having done the reset, wait at least 5 seconds before re-entering. This is done to allow even those with slow computers to fully enjoy the mod. Let's create a new world and see how the mod works. The installation is very simple. You just need to put the .jar file inside the mods folder. This mod is compatible with Forge in single player. Now create a new world. This mod will back up the entire world every 5 minutes. When you die you will be given 3 options: respawn normally, return to the main menu, or restore a backup. When entering the world, I introduced a system that does not allow us to perform backups for the first minute of the game, to give the possibility to enjoy the mod even to those with older computers. If I try to make a backup manually, it gives me an error. This mod also gives the possibility to create manual backups. Before showing you how to create manual backups, I will show you the mod configuration panel, reachable by pressing the F6 key on the keyboard. Here we are in the mod menu. Here we have everything you need. We have create backup to create backups manually. We have load backup to manually load backups, not necessarily the most recent one. We have rename backup to rename a backup and find it more easily. We have delete backup to delete backups that are now obsolete, and finally we have settings backup, to configure the mod with your needs. I forgot, overwrite backup, to overwrite an existing backup with new game data. By going to settings, we can customize the behavior of the mod. By default automatic backups will be active. Every 5 minutes a backup will be performed. The maximum number of backups for a single world is 10 by default. You can configure it as you want. You can also configure the time between one backup and another, from a minimum of 1 minute. While we were talking, the mod created a backup for me, having set automatic backups every 2 minutes for simplicity. One of the ways to create manual backups is the one I'll show you now. Using the keyboard shortcut F7B you will create a quick backup. To restore the quick backup you just made, we have another quick keyboard shortcut, F7R. Warning: before re-entering the world, wait at least 5 seconds. Here we are, it works. The last way we have to do a backup is through the game commands. You must have cheats active. Using the /backup command you will create a backup, using the /restore command you will restore the backup. The last way you can restore your backup is to die. It works, as you can see we have not lost anything. Now I'll show you some other very useful features of the mod. Now the overwrite function. Now, the function delete backup. The main functions have been shown. You can also play in vanilla without touching anything and leaving the cheats disabled. The default mod makes a backup every 5 minutes. If you die, it restores the last one done. Even with the cheats disabled, you can use the panel by opening F6 to restore a previous backup if the last backup was done automatically in uncomfortable situations. Now a little free fun gameplay, to show you various uses. I hope you enjoyed the video. As soon as it is published on Forge, I will put the link in the description of this video.